You want to talk about sex? Something needs to change. But every time you bring it up, it turns into a fight. You feel frustrated, rejected, misunderstood. They feel attacked, defensive, shut down, and nothing gets resolved. Here's the truth. The problem isn't you. It's not them. It's how you're starting the conversation. And one sentence can change everything. I am Ava. This is Relationship Psychology with raw stickman sketches. No judgment, just real answers. Today, how to talk to your partner about sex without fighting. Whether you want more, less, or different sex, this framework works. Stay with me, because one small shift in how you start changes everything. Here's why sex talks turn into fights. Most people start with criticism. You never want sex anymore. When you start with you never or you always, your partner hears blame. And blame triggers defensiveness. Once defensiveness enters, the conversation is over. You're not solving anything. You're just fighting. The problem isn't what you want to say. It's how you're starting. Most people begin with the problem. We don't have enough sex. You never initiate. That feels like an accusation. Your partner hears you're not good enough, and then the walls go up. So how do you start differently? Here's the one sentence that changes everything. Say this: I want to feel closer to you. Can we talk about our intimate life? Notice the difference? No blame, no criticism, no you statements, just vulnerability and an invitation. Instead of we need to talk about sex, which sounds like a performance review, you're saying I want to feel closer to you. That shift changes everything. You're not accusing, you're inviting. You're not demanding, you're sharing. Your partner hears, they miss me. They want us, not I'm not enough. That sentence lowers defenses before the conversation even starts. Try it tonight. Say it exactly like that. I want to feel closer to you. Can we talk about our intimate life? Those 12 words can save years of frustration. Rule 1. No you statements. Don't say you never initiate. Say, I would love it if you initiated more. Rule 2. Ask questions. Don't make accusations. How do you feel about our sex life? Not, why don't you want me? Rule 3. Listen without planning your response. Don't interrupt. Don't defend. Just hear them. Rule 4. End with an action step. Can we try this one thing this week? Small, specific, doable. These 4 rules turn a fight into a team conversation. You're not opponents. You're partners solving a problem together. The goal isn't to win. The goal is to understand. Most couples never learn how to talk about sex because no one taught them. You're learning now. Be patient with each other. This is a new skill, and like any skill, it takes practice. What if they still get defensive? It happens. Don't panic. Don't escalate. Say this: I'm not trying to blame you. I just want us to feel close again. That redirects the conversation. If they're still shut down, say, can we pause and come back to this tomorrow? Then actually come back to it. Don't let it disappear, but don't force it either. Timing matters. A 10-minute calm conversation is better than a 2-hour fight. The goal isn't to fix everything in one conversation. The goal is to start talking without fighting. One small conversation. One honest sentence. That's how intimacy grows back. Subscribe for more real talk. Next time, what to do when you want different amounts of sex. See you there.